Alright, so we have just finished setting this up. This is the dual speaker stand. This is the first one, and then this is the second one. Stand some stuff. My room is too wide to show both of them, but let's get into some Dune right here. This is the movie we're going to be testing. We're going to get right into a very good scene. Alright, so this held up amazing. No rattling, no shaking. That was high quality volume right there. And this is a high quality surround sound. So do yourself a favor and get this if you need to hang up your surround sound speakers, because it just withstands that very, very well.